Sir, thank you for allowing me to speak on this important bill. MSMEs are the backbone of the country's economy. The manufacturing sector alone contributes about 17% of our nation's GDP. But sir, MSME में पिछले 50 साल में सबसे ज्यादा बेरोजगारी हमारे देश में अभी है, तो MSME इज द सेक्टर जिधर अनएम्प्लॉयमेंट को हम एड्रेस कर सकते हैं। लेकिन सर, जो हम बोलना चाहते हैं, जब हम द सिटीजन्स, MPs, MLAs, आम जनता, स्टूडेंट्स, यूथ्स, अनएम्प्लॉयड यूथ्स, किसको की कोई भी किसको सुरक्षित नहीं है, कोई भी सुरक्षित नहीं है, और होम मिनिस्टर साहब कोई जवाब भी नहीं देना चाहते हैं। हम कैसे
आप विषय करके
कैसे देश बचेगा सर?
यू आर नॉट इंटरेस्टेड इन सब्जेक्ट
सर,
नॉट इंटरेस्टेड
सर, हम बोलना चाहते हैं, दिस बिल क्लेम्स टू स्ट्रेंथन द MSME sector. What it actually does is hand the government more direct discretion, ask small business to give up protections and leave the state's own companies free to break the very rules it is imposing on everyone else. And this union government policy strengthens and highlights disinvestment, corporatization, privatization. Government is taking no initiative to protect its own sectors, sir. सर, ये बहुत अनफॉर्चुनेट है, दुख की बात है। हम चाहते हैं सर, आपके ऊपर हम भरोसा करना चाहते हैं सर, होम मिनिस्टर साहब को आप लाइए और लॉ एंड ऑर्डर के ऊपर वो बोले। सर,
नॉट गोइंग ऑन तिरुचि सिन्हा नॉट प्रेजेंट, डॉक्टर संतृप्त मिश्रा बोले।
Thank you, Honorable Deputy Chairman, sir, for allowing me to speak on this magical and mysterious four-lettered word of Indian economy called MSME. I said magical because, sir, it contributes to 36% of the GDP, about 30 crores of employment just after agriculture. But unfortunately, you realize that there's more than 8 lakh to 10 lakh crores of money of MSME stuck in the pipeline. And I just wonder, if this money was available to them, what could these MSMEs perhaps do for us in this country? But at the same time, sir, I would like to draw your attention that the bill was passed in 2006. After 20 years today, again we are revisiting this particular act. The question is, in a dynamic economic world today, can we afford to have amendment and revisiting of a law after 20 years? Let me also say, sir, that while Life Insurance Corporation was always meant to be Jeevan ke saath bhi, Jeevan ke baad bhi, there is also an LIC for MSME, which talks about licensing, inspection and compliance. That's also an LIC. And the challenge before us is, how do we save the MSME from this entire process? But a broader question to my mind, sir, is that every law and every public policy framework is an indication of a country's aspiration. The question is whether this law is simply easing the problem of MSMEs or as a larger game plan, or making the MSMEs equivalent of German's Mittelstand or the little giants of China, so that they could be globally competitive. So what are MSMEs actually asking us? They're asking us 4 things. Number 1, pay me on time the money that you owe me. Number 2, they ask us that do not tax me until I've got the money. Number 3, MSMEs are asking us that provide me better market access. Number 4, they are telling us that do not make me run around behind the banks asking for a lot of collaterals. And finally, of course, they are saying that I would like to formalize this sector. My formalization must create better credit and better market access, and not necessarily bring more of inspection for me. So, sir, I have 3 or 4 suggestions that we really truly mean to take the MSME sector forward. Number 1, we must make sure that the TRADAS, the trade discounting platform, and the GST platform must talk to each other. Today they do not talk, and therefore, lot of the time the TRADAS is being obstructed.
to strengthen the MSME sector, what it actually does is hand the government more direct discretion, ask small business to give up protections and leave the state's own companies free to break the very rules it is imposing on everyone else. And this union government policy strengthens and highlights disinvestment, corporatization, privatization. Government is taking no initiative to protect its own sectors, sir. Sir, ये बहुत अनफॉर्चुनेट है, दुख की बात है. हम चाहते हैं सर, आपके ऊपर हम भरोसा करना चाहते हैं, सर. होम मिनिस्टर साहब को आप लाइए
आप इसे
और
नहीं देना चाहते.
लॉ एंड ऑर्डर के ऊपर वो बोले, सर.
Siva not going on record. Tiruchi Siva not present. Dr. Santrapti Misra.